Hello, I'm Maxie with Maxie Makes. Today I want to share a special adventure with you. It's my sewing subscription box called Maxie Mail. It's filled to the brim with a different project every month. And it's a project that you can complete in a short period of time. I'm thinking an evening or a weekend maybe. And if you're familiar with my blog and my video tutorials, you know that I love to share things that I know that can help you in your sewing room. So I have a few simple goals for this box. My first goal is that it helps you to be successful in your sewing room. Don't worry that you might not be able to complete the project, because on the members only page, which only subscribers will have access to, there'll be a video tutorial and other PDF files that you can download and save for future reference. My second goal is that it helps you to build your sewing skills. Each month you'll learn something new and unique to that project, but it'll carry you through to other projects for the rest of your sewing life. My third goal is that you actually finish the project. The last thing I want is for you to have an unfinished project sitting on your shelves. Owning a quilt shop for over 13 years has taught me some of the best tools and notions out there. I've discovered the best fabrics, and those are the type of things that I'm going to include in your box. I've got boxes planned with all types of projects, quilting projects, personal accessories, home decor, all planned to teach you techniques and skills that will help you in your sewing room so that you will have the confidence to tackle any kind of project your heart can dream of. So if you haven't subscribed, please join us. Subscriptions received by the 20th of the month will receive that month's box. Subscriptions received after the 20th will receive the next month's box. Thank you for joining along with me. I look forward to hearing all about your adventures. Be sure to post your pictures on Instagram and use the hashtag MaxieMail and share on my Maxie Makes Facebook page. Happy sewing and many blessings to your sewing room.
That's so cute.
Somebody's phone's dinging.
That's awesome.
I don't even want to say that.